This November, abortion rights are on the ballot. The state Supreme Court ruling today that that issue will go to the voters. News 8's Taylor Morris with reaction tonight and what we can expect moving forward.
The ruling was 5-2, with all 4 Democrats and a Republican justice ruling in favor of putting the abortion rights initiative on the ballot.
The Board of State Canvassers had a clear duty to certify this proposal, overwhelmingly supported by Michigan voters, to the ballot, and the court agreed.
Opponents had challenged the proposal, arguing the petition didn't have proper word spacing. Republicans on the Board of Canvassers agreed, and last week the board deadlocked on a 2-2 party line vote. But today the court struck down that argument, and by a 5-2 ruling told the board it should put the petition on the ballot. In its ruling, the court said, quote, "The meaning of the words has not changed by the alleged insufficient spacing between them. A legal expert we talked to agrees."
Well, I would say to you that the United States Constitution has what we would refer to as typos. That is, there are commas that aren't where they belong. There are capitalizations of things where it doesn't belong. They did things like that, which would be improper grammar-wise, but somehow we seem to understand what the Constitution says.
After the ruling, there was immediate reaction from both sides.
Today, the Michigan State Supreme Court made a monumental decision for democracy.
Supporters thrilled that a ballot initiative which gained nearly 600,000 valid signatures will make it to the ballot.
The important thing about today is that the forced birthers believed against democracy because we had the correct amount of signatures. We had the largest number of signatures ever.
But opponents scared about what comes next.
We were disappointed by this news because the Supreme Court today got it wrong, and this petition is fatally flawed, but now it will be up to voters to reject it. And I believe we'll see women pouring out to vote no because of how dangerous this proposed amendment is for Michigan's women and children.
The Board of Canvassers has a scheduled meeting tomorrow morning in Lansing where they will place this proposal and another that would expand voting opportunities on the November ballot.
The Michigan Supreme Court is the highest court in the land, and there is no appeal under Michigan law beyond the Michigan Supreme Court. This is the final word.
In our most recent Epic MRA poll on abortion, which is from August 26, 67% of people polled said they would vote yes to a constitutional amendment to protect abortion rights.